Hi, this is Mike Turner, and this is another Boise real estate market update. Today we're going to cover inventory and how in the Boise market, August 2013, and here's the latest chart on the overall inventory levels for Ada County. And the purple, pinkish purple color here is 2013, and you can see there's been an increase. Now, normally we do see a seasonal increase going into summer, and then it usually typically decreases going into winter. It'll be interesting to see if that trend continues because we've had all kinds of positive real estate news in the last few months, and so more people may continue to put their homes on the market to see, if it has a chance to sell. So time will tell if we'll have the seasonal trend or not. We're still historically low compared to the previous 5 years going back to 2008 where you see these really high numbers. So we're still in a very healthy market when you look at it as a whole. Let's look closer at the inventory and you'll see that okay, this breaks out how much foreclosures are in the overall inventory number. The blue is non-distress, the yellow is short sales. Short sales kind of pre-foreclosures, and REO, and that's the fully banked foreclosures, and also HUDs. And you can see where we've come. We used to have up to 350, 375 REOs on the market. Now we have 63 on the market. At the high, short sales were right around over 1,000, and now we have around 200. So those numbers are way down. And regular resale inventory, non-distressed inventory, is obviously going up, but not that much different than we saw even a few years ago. Finally, when you break out the chart even in more detail, you can kind of look see, okay, now the inventory's up and it's increasing a bit. Where is it increasing? Is it increasing in all inventories? And that's not quite true. If this true statement is to say it's up in all price ranges. And so from this 120 to 160, this color right here, if you compare July over July, okay, that jump right there is pretty much unchanged from summer to summer, okay? But looking at 160 to 200,000, that's this kind of pinkish color right here, you'll see that price is up significantly compared to July over July. And it's actually up 45%. Okay, and then now 200 to 250, summer over summer, that is up 42%. And 250 to 300,000, that's up 33%. And there's also a big jump in the 300 to 400,000. Okay, this color right here. That jump is 63%. That is the biggest price range increase I'm seeing out of all the price ranges. It's between 300 and 400,000. That's something to note. What's really interesting though, between 400,000 to 500,000. In fact, you could say between 400,000 to 700,000. A few of these price ranges tied together, there's been no change from year over year. So a big jump is kind of in this middle price range, and with the biggest between 300 to 400,000. If you look over 700,000, between 700 and a million, that's these top numbers right here, you'll see a 38% increase, and the $1 million homes plus, there's a 26% increase. The only thing that's really down is everything down here, right? You can see how that drops down. Homes between 90,000 to 120,000, they're down 50%. So significantly way down for the county. So interesting to note, anything below 120 is is hardly any inventory in the county. I like the fact that between 500,000 or 400,000 to 700,000, there's really no change year over year. So that's healthy because demand's way up in those price ranges. So anyway, and watch out for 300 and 400. There's a big jump in that price range. Okay, that's it for this month. This is Mike Turner with Front Street Brokers. If you have more questions and want to see more information about the market, just go to frontstreetbrokers.com. Take care.